going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This is Zafar again with another video. So today, as you can see, I'm next to my car. So it's about car, and I've been waiting for this to do for a long time, but I've been busy, but I guess today is the time. So for a long time I was trying to paint my wheels black. All right, trying to paint it black, but didn't want to mess it up. So instead of painting today, we're just going to, I purchased an adhesive, pre-cut adhesive. Basically it's black glossy pre-cut adhesives that I'm going to install and then make it look like black rims, full black rims. So let's do the work and see how it's going to turn out, and then you guys will be the judge. So the pre-cut adhesives that I got it from was, I guess, shout out to Shine Graphics for hooking me up. So I hope it is not damaged. Let's see. Alright, this is what I'm talking about. Boom. See? But before we start the process, first thing, this is the important steps. You gotta clean it. It has to be dirt free. So you gotta clean it. That's the first main thing. So let's clean it up. Alright, as I said, the cleaning part is really important before starting with any pre-cut adhesive attachment. Boom, see how dirty it is? Alright, looks clean to me. So let's get down to the business. I am just trying to find out how we're going to install this. Bruh. this is the final product of only one of the wheel. How about that? I almost spent an hour, man. Freaking an hour for one freaking wheel. Hell. So let's do this all three, and then I'm gonna show you the final product of all four wheels. So stay tuned and let's go. Alright guys, I just finished it after like how many hours? Damn, solid 3 hours. Solid 3 hours, man. So keep in mind before you start working on that. So let me show you the final project and then what I did wrong and all that. So let's see. Here's the final product. A little bit tight in here, so let's see. There you go. Final product. Job is done. Yo, it looks like the original color. Glossy black paint. All black. Alright. So, a couple things. You won't able to notice it, but if you actually take a look close, there is a lot of bubbles and all that. So keep in mind that you have to work in the hot environment, and this is freaking winter in here and it's cold and all that, so you have to use a heat gun constantly. So if you want to do this in the winter, you gotta use heat gun constantly. And what else? But other than that, it turned out good. As you can see, all black rims. Looks like an original rims, not painted. So that is it for today, guys. Alright guys, thanks for watching and hope you liked the video. Please share, subscribe, and whatever you guys wanted to do. But hope you guys have a nice day. Peace.